Welcome to Lesson 2, Making Numbers Friendly for Fast Addition. In this lesson, we will learn how to make numbers friendly so we can add them faster in our mind. We will see how changing a number just a little can make addition super quick, and then we will learn to adjust it to get the correct answer. Today we are going to discover a smart trick, turning numbers into ones that are easier to work with, like changing 19 into 20, 48 into 50, or 37 into 40. When numbers are closer to tens or their base, adding them becomes super quick. We have 56 plus 29. Now look at 29. It's very close to 30. Let's imagine it as 30. So 56 plus 30 is 86. We made it 30 by adding 1. So we must subtract 1 from 86 to get the final answer. And that is 85. "45 plus 48. Let's imagine this 48 as 50 and try to calculate the answer. So 45 plus 50 is 95. We made it 50 by adding 2. So we must less this 2 from 95 to get the final answer, and that is 93.